In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a drag and drop Rush ID template in Canva. This technique is perfect for anyone looking to streamline their design process and add a layer of professionalism and convenience to their projects. Whether you're creating templates for clients, your team, or your own workflow, this is going to save you a ton of time. So let's dive right in. First, open Canva and start a new design. You can choose any size that fits your project, like an ID card or standard business layout. Once you're inside your blank canvas, the first thing you'll want to do is head over to the left toolbar and click on Elements. Elements is where Canva hides all the good stuff: shapes, lines, frames, and graphics that you can mix and match for your design. In the search bar, type frame, you'll see a bunch of options pop up. But for this project, choose the square frame. This frame will act as the main placeholder for your photo or ID image. Now drag and drop the square frame onto your canvas and position it where you want it. You can resize it easily by dragging the corners until it fits your layout. This frame is where anyone using your template will later drop their own photo, hence the name drag and drop template. Once your frame is placed, let's make it look a little more polished. Click on the frame you just added and look toward the top toolbar for the border style option. This is where you can add a clean outline to your frame, giving it that sleek, professional look. Under border style, select horizontal border. Then, in the width box, type 0.5 and hit enter. Setting the border width to 0.5 gives it a subtle yet elegant edge, enough to make it stand out without overpowering your design. Now that your frame is ready, here's a pro tip to make your workflow faster. Instead of manually creating and adjusting more frames from scratch, simply duplicate the one you just made. With your frame selected, look for the duplicate icon at the top of your screen. It looks like two overlapping squares. Click it once, and boom, you've got an identical frame ready to go. You can duplicate as many as you need, depending on how many photo slots or sections your Rush ID template requires. This trick keeps your design consistent and saves you from redoing all that styling work. Once your frames are in place, feel free to customize the rest of your template. You can add text boxes for names, titles, or departments. Maybe include your logo, some shapes, or even background colors that match your brand style. The key is to keep it clean and easy to edit so others can just drop their photos in and replace text without breaking the layout. And there you have it, a complete drag and drop Rush ID template in Canva. By using frames, borders, and duplication tools, you've built a professional and reusable design that's efficient and visually appealing. This method is perfect for teams, agencies, or anyone who needs to create multiple ID cards quickly without starting from scratch each time. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more quick and creative Canva tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.